Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we model the simple object inside cube parametric. Let's get right into it. I have opened my cube parametric. I'll click on new, part, solid, assign the proper name, uncheck this to use the proper units, and here we will be looking for the millimeter per solid array, and I will hit OK. And I'll choose this plane, sketch on it, make it normal, switch off the datum planes. I'll go for the center rectangle, starting from somewhere here, press middle mouse button, define this is 75, this one is 30, maximize it and hit OK. On extrude, define extrude length 9, press middle mouse button to confirm this. Again extrude, choose the top surface, make it normal. Go for a corner rectangle, and now I'm gonna go for the smart dimension 18 plus 15, hit enter and hit OK. Define the value 21, press middle mouse button. I'll go for round, choose. Now I will apply some rounds, choose this edge and this edge, define the value of 15, hit enter. Go to shifts, set 1, define 15, hit enter and say OK. Now I'll go for chamfer, define 9, choose this edge and this edge and hit OK. Now we choose this top surface, extrude, make it normal, go for a circle, define the value of 15 and hit OK. Now we'll flip the direction, choose to all, remove material and say OK. Now we'll apply a mid plane, choose this face, press and hold Control key in this face to create it the middle. Now choose this, extrude, normal, go for a line starting from somewhere here, close the sketch, OK, choose middle plane, define the 7 and hit OK. See, this is the part that we have just made it inside cube parametric. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to the channel.